everyone, so I thought I'd do a vlog. I've been saying for ages I was going to start doing them again, but life's kind of got in the way a bit and I was working and I just got back from, where was I? Zurich yesterday, but I thought I'd start today. It's a Sunday. I don't have a massive amount to do, so it's probably not the best day to start a vlog, but I just thought I'd go in the garden a bit, and I've got to sort out my summer clothes actually because it's so warm, isn't it? Honestly, I'm going to ignore what it says on the iPhone. It said thunder most days and it's just stunning. Yeah, I'm going on with some chores. I'm up and at it today. I didn't think I would be because I'm tired. I didn't sleep very well. Got a bit of a thing. I don't sleep very well when I'm away now. I don't know why. Maybe I miss Michael. So much for the up and at it. I've made myself a cup of tea and sat down. It is about 9 o'clock where I was saying I was up and really busy. But I was back late last night. I went to my friend's. So I've got my morning cup. This is from my friend Nikki. I love it. I use it every morning. You know you have one of those cups you use. Quite pretty basil pot as well. It's the longest I've kept some basil going. I thought they didn't last that long. And I tried to get the leaves off and put them in the fridge. Big mistake. So I think I'm just going to sit here on my tea and look at the garden. Quickly want to show you this. This is my wedding bouquet, everyone. I have it here in our sun lounge. And I got a fake one. It's got some real ones in there. Can you see? A bit crispy and old. So we had new and old. But I wanted to keep it forever. And so I have it here in the sun lounge. And these are my nanny's books. I'm a little worried it's going to fade in the light actually. So I might move it around throughout the year. Because I like to do that. I think I've got that from my mum. I like a change up. See, these are my, can you see? They're my summer cushions. So in the winter, I go all beige and my shoulder then. Like fell out. So I have beige and greys for the winter. And then for the summer, I like to do my mustard colours. And I should apologise for the state of my hair. I'm not washing it or doing anything with it because I hope to dye it today. Because all of a sudden, those greys have sprung through from nowhere. And I have to do it. Because recently, for some reason, I've been wearing my hair in a centre parting, which I never do. And that just shows off my greys more. So I'm going to do that later. I should probably tell you my productive morning's gone from bad to worse. I've just put Housewives on the computer. New York is my absolute favourite. And then Beverly Hills. I love Housewives, I really do. I didn't watch all of Housewives. It was such a waste when it's such a nice day. Look how awful my cap is. I tried to shape it to make it look better and I think I've made it look worse. My friend Nikki loves my cap. Got my bikini on, not naked. It's boiling. I've been trimming these bushes. Ladies, we know how hard that is, don't we? It's harder than you think. It's taken me ages and I hate sweeping up after, but we do love our garden. So I bought these bits here just to cover this area, but I think a cat or a fox keeps sitting in there. Every day I come out, it's like that. The bees love this. I love it as well. Now, poppies came and went. As you saw, I put that on Twitter as well. Need a cane for this. My friend Dan is going to be so bored with this. If you're wondering why my friend Dan might be fast forwarding the gardening, he's not just there yet. Let me tell you about Dan. He dressed up as a unicorn for a Lady Gaga concert and his meet and greet was going to ask her to sit on his back. So that's Dan, everyone. So if you're wondering why he has no interest in this, that's why. And he's actually at a festival today. Oh, there's something on my finger. So tonight I'm going to Alexis' charity thing. I think that's how you say your name. Is it Alexis, if you're watching? So I should mention to some of you that don't know, my husband Michael's in a group called the Overtones. They're a vocal harmony group, and sadly this year they lost one of their team, or brothers if you like, Timmy Matley. Really, really sad. But I won't go into it or talk about it too much, but a lot of Timmy and the Overtones fans, you guys perhaps that are watching, are doing a fantastic charity tonight, a charity gig. There's going to be comedy, live entertainment. Well done for organising it. It's so amazing of you. And the proceeds all go to Royal Marsden, which was a charity that was close to Timmy's heart, which is a cancer charity. So that's amazing. But on another note, I have no hair dye, everyone. I went to dye my hair and I'm sure I bought 2 last time. You know, you get 2, there's an offer, and you put 1 under the sink. I haven't. So I'm going to have to think of something to do to cover my terrible roots. And I'm not sure what to wear. It's absolutely boiling. It's still 27 degrees out there and we'll be going on the train. That's going to be even hotter because there's never any aircon, is there? So I'll show you my outfit choices. Choice number 1, my H&M dress. I copied it. I saw someone at QVC wearing this actually, one of the models, and I went and got it immediately. 2 is this play suit. I bought it last year and I never wore it. I bought it for my friend's engagement party and it wasn't that hot, so I didn't wear it. So for my friend that got engaged, the other outfit I bought, it's actually a wedding. That's how long I haven't worn that for. And I bought this for the barbecue the next day. which I didn't wear. It's very crumpled up, isn't it? I'm going to have to get the iron out. But it's quite cute. I liked the sleeves. They've got a big bow on them. Hi guys, I'm ready. I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing. Michael's home. Obviously, he's filming. He needs to do me up though. This is my ASOS dress. I got my new thing in my hair that my sister bought me. And these, I was stuck at the airport. Our flight was delayed, so I did a bit of shopping. So I got those for accessorise. And I think wedges is a bit dressy, so I've got my, what do you call them? Tassel flip-flops. Michael's desperate for me to go. We're late. See you later. Bye. Here we are on our way to Timmy's charity event. We're in the car. I thought we were going by train, didn't I? Got my handsome chauffeur.
Hello.
Man of many words.
I'm concentrating.
Oh, you better say more than that tonight.
I'm concentrated on where we're going. Hold on. I think we're going right.
Got the numbers wrong.
We're up all night to get lucky.
Hi guys, we're back. We're in bed if you can't tell. What are you eating?
Nothing.
That's awful.
Yeah, but I haven't had lunch. I've never had lunch.
It's midnight. Did you enjoy the charity thing tonight?
Yeah, it was really good. It was emotional, but it was also quite therapeutic, I guess. So yeah, it was really nice tonight. It was a really nice night.
Alexis, you did so well organising it. It was really good.
Absolutely.
But we're going to say goodnight and I'll film tomorrow. What my plan is... Here you go, Fran. You can see how annoying it is. What my plan to do is maybe film throughout the week and get the best bits and put it up on a Friday. That's my plan. But if I have a lot of stuff in the next few days, maybe I'll put it up a bit earlier. So I'll let you know. So night, everyone. Oh, stuffing his face. He says goodnight.
No.
Hi everyone, I've got QVC today. Those of you that don't know, I do guest presenting on QVC. Today I'm showing diamonds and tanzanite and some other little bits of jewellery, very fancy. So I go on at 5 o'clock on the Style channel, but you have to be there 2 hours before. I've just been to yoga, hated it. Normally I don't mind it, but today I just didn't like it. And the teacher, I said, I went to acupuncture today, and I had to leave 15 minutes early, and the class was an hour and 15 minutes, and I asked, I was like, do you mind if I leave a bit early? She was like, I don't know. I thought, oh, I've paid for it, I should be able to go, right? But we were there for like 5 minutes while she hummed an ad over it, but I just left anyway. But it was hard, I think it was vinyasa, and I don't know what yoga I normally go to, but it definitely wasn't that. It was lots of breathing and making noises today, which isn't really very me. Yeah, so QVC, gonna leave in a minute. Have a shower, put my hair in rollers, and I fully get ready there. I'm going to take a few tops to steam. The steamer is so good there. I take a few of my clothes into steam, so I don't have to bother doing them before I go out, if I want to go out one night. I'll just show you what I'm going to take with me and how I pack. So here's what I take. How good is this makeup bag? I don't know if I've shown it to you before, but it kind of, you pull it up and it goes together, but then when I'm there, I lay it out and nothing rolls off my dressing table when I'm there in the dressing room. Just all stays in there. So good. I take my cuticle oil because my hands are so up close there and I like my nails to look nice. My friend bought me this from America. It's so nice. It's a bit sparkly. Thought I'd have a bit of sparkle. Hairspray. I might put some primer on before I go because I always forget. I'm going to wear this today, I think. I think I should be a bit dressier as it's diamonds. I wore that to my friend's wedding. It's new look. I haven't worn it since. They're both Primark and I love them. These I wore out the other day. They are the comfiest shoes. Loads comfier than my Louboutins. They really are. They're so comfortable. I like £13. These I haven't worn yet. But I think I'm going to go for those bad boys. Jewellery wise, now here's my jewellery drawer. Such a mess. Now I'm going to be wearing some of the jewellery, but I'm not showing any earrings today, so I'm going to pick some to wear. I thought maybe these, because they do actually show them on QVC. They're Swarovski. These I love. So they fell out my ears when I was on a hen do in Valencia, And I went back into the club and I found it on the floor. I couldn't believe I found it. It's pure luck. I must have been dancing in the same spot for like an hour. And I took them back. I was like, they fell out my ears and they gave me new ones. So, or maybe those hoops. These are Swarovski as well. I might wear those. Gonna have a think. So I'm ready to go. Hopefully I can film a lot backstage for you, so you'll be able to see how it works and kind of what I do. Really roughly is the word, put my hair in rollers. Just because if I don't, and I try and style it, it's really flat to my head. I dyed it, as you can see, no more greys. I'll quickly show you what I've put on my face. Evolve Organic Oil. I got this from a lady at QVC who sells it there, and I love it, so I've been rebuying it. Body Shop, this is my moisturiser. It's got vitamin C in it and it's factor 30, which I love. Eye cream, I just used number 7. If anyone has got a great eye cream they use, I just haven't found one yet. So I'm here backstage at QVC. I'm going to give you a little tour of where everything is, okay? This is studio, they're on air, I can't show you at the moment. But we go up, and this at the end, the hub. This is one of the studios. Some clothes lined up, ready to go on. Cameras, there's Alex, presenter, working. Just doing my vlog. Some shoes, setting up. All the cameras over here. I'm not sure what studio I'm in yet. Hi. Yeah, different view. That's where I sign in. This is where they line up all the trays and all the trolleys for your show. So I'll take you around to mine. Filming my vlog. There she is. Oh. So here's. Sorry, just filming my vlog here. Oh. So here's my. You threw a drawer in it. Here's my jewellery tray. So got your diamond rings, tanzanite, and all the bits there, and the watches, the Ophir watches. If you can see those. And I'm on in about an hour. Not sure what studio I'm in yet. Sometimes they change around the style studio. I love to have a good old look at the trays, look. See what's on offer here. And sometimes I try out on moisturiser and stuff. There's some nails ink. OPI. So these will be lined up for showing later on. And they do start pressing for tomorrow, so like these are for tomorrow's stuff. Do you feel a bit sick though I'm whizzing around? So I'll just take you in here. This is another studio, it's one of the bigger ones. This is where we do a lot of the jewellery. We're normally sat around here. There's some nails ink models prepping up. Doing a boomerang. Some foliage back here. There's Laura Geller back there. I don't know if they've got a show. So this is where we go into our guest suite. Basically your dressing rooms. All the way down the end. Trying to be discreet, people having a little chat. Here's where I am. You find your name. There's me. I'm in here. So I'm having a bit of an eyebrow disaster here. You know, you do it, and you keep redoing it, and piling stuff on it just gets worse and worse. Look at that. Can you see I've like smeared the stuff I've put on it? Not a good makeup day. Not a good makeup day. Hi everyone, so I'm all finished. It was so good. I love doing shows with Charlie. They're so nice. Like, we really have a laugh. So I didn't get to iron my shirt still, chatting away, but here was my dress that I wore. It was off the shoulder like that, but I had my mic and everything taken out and my earpiece, so I'm still undone. But yeah, it's really good. I loved it. I'll have to bring you next time I do a show, but I'm gonna go home. I think I'm gonna hit rush hour actually, so I'm gonna head off. Today I'm childminding. Years ago, about 7 years ago, work was slow and I childminded for this family 1 day a week. And they have a permanent nanny now, but I fill in when she's on holiday, and I am. And it's so nice spending time with them because they're like family. And they were teeny tiny. They were twins that were 3 years old when I started, and the little girl was 2. So I just dropped them off at school, just gonna go and do a few little errands and that. And I want to go and buy some things for dinner. I saw in a Waitrose magazine this nice prawn salad thing with coconut yogurt, which I've not seen before. Don't quite know what that would be like, but I'm going to go and see if I can get it now. And then maybe later I might have a run on the river because I'm right here next to the Thames. I thought I'd show you. They live on a really cute little street. I really like it. I'll show you around. I just think the houses are so sweet. Typical London, isn't it? Right, off we go. Unfortunately, it's just a Waitrose and M&S here for shopping, so I'll start saving now. So I stopped in the charity shop. I love a charity shop, and this one's my favourite on the high street. I always come in here and I always find something. So I can't decide if I want or need this little Topshop dress. I love it though, that's perfect for the summer with some wedges. Also nice little flip-flops, isn't it? £6. So I tried it on. Probably not the best to do over your gym wear, is that? Looks awful. What a treat I am. Hi guys, just finished work for the day. I was going to start by apologising for my hair, but let's just say it's a given that unless I'm going out, my hair's always going to be awful. Went shopping, got my ingredients for my Waitrose dinner. I'll show you what it is. So it's this. I ripped it out of their weekend newspaper. I don't think I have red curry paste. I think I have massaman, korma and green. I might do massaman. Looking at that, I've forgotten quite a bit of the ingredients. Forgot the lime, gem lettuce, and the red onion. So basically prawns and coriander for dinner. If you're wondering what that chatting is behind me, Michael's on the Xbox and he's got like teammates. Can you hear him? Oh, maybe his teammates left him. No one's talking to him.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Get his earphones he's got on, his little microphone. Gunshots going on in the background. Oh, it's getting intense, obviously.
I'm getting shot at.
So this dinner's going from bad to worse. I did my shopping at Childmind, put all my stuff in their fridge, and I didn't pick up my coconut yogurt. I picked up their blueberry one. So this is what we've got. Out-of-date lettuce, about 5 cashews, korma, quinoa and coriander. So it doesn't look the most appetising, but it's cashews, that korma sauce, spinach, prawns, and I cooked it in coconut oil. So here's the finished product, slopped up. It doesn't look the most appetising. So look, there's your cashew nuts, korma, spinach, and I put onion in as well. Loads of coriander, just about see the bulgur wheat and the quinoa. Throw on some peppers and tomatoes for good measure, and a little bit of off salad. There we go. Bon appetit.